Hello everyone. It's 7 a.m. in the morning, but so dark still. As we are approaching winter time, it's going to be cool, colder, and so cold. Anyway, we're just walking. I'm going to go to the train station so that I could go to my work today. I work morning hours this week. Then I have so many things to do after that. Ay, ano ba nag-English ka na? Ayan, ang fountain. Ayan. Punta tayo sa kabila. Tagal ko na rin na hindi naglagay ng fountain. Kasi ang bida na sa video ko ngayon ay ang pusa. Ayan. Fountain. Tambay muna tayo rito ng konti. By the way, maraming salamat lagi. Thank you very much for watching my video. Always. Thank you for your support. Small YouTubers tayo, so we have to support each other. Thank you very much. Let's just stay for a while and somebody's approaching here now. Opa. Okay, maraming salamat. Bye-bye.